Kiss and Dave Geeling at the moment seems to be the two drivers that are starting to put a bit of a gap out, but from there on, it's got Enzo Benito in 4th position.
Then McGee's flying. How did he get up to 4th? Honestly, when did that happen? He snuck up to 4th like a ninja. He's right on Len McGee's back door right now, so he's on the back of the Hulk car. He's going to look to the inside of the hairpin, surely. He dives down to the inside. Oh, McGee goes.
No, McGee is not going to let him through.
Shuts the door firmly.
That's all in front of him, so Casper Volker Jr. might have a bit of a spur on himself now. You can save with his tyres.
McGee and Kiss are catching all of them right now. They are flying. And McGee, we know how good Norby is. He's leading the championship. McGee's no slouch because he's put car length between him and Norby again.
Well, that last lap was a half a second, 4/10 faster than Norby Kiss did.
Crazy, isn't it?
Yes, that's really it. You wouldn't have thought that, but yeah, I've got Ben McGee quicker than Norby Kiss at the moment, but also Sven Gatsuls really want to get the victories in this race, because of course victories mean prizes, and when you've got money and things like that at stake, any position can count. And also at the moment, Norby Kiss is now dropped back behind Dave Geeling, and now Dave Geeling's got the incredible Hulk in front of him, as you nicknamed him earlier, Glenn McGee. And Glenn McGee, a fantastic run for him at the moment. We're just about 16 minutes into this race, and Glenn McGee it is who leads. We've got just over 8 minutes to go.
Oh, Geeling's got a wicked run this time. He is firmly under the boot lid of McGee's McLaren. As he's going to look left, he goes right, he's going to go. Oh, it's going to be tight. No, McGee sees him. Going to just McGee's going to go. You know what? I'm going to make it work. Look at that. That's brilliant. Side by side through the last turn. Both flat out. McGee's going to cut back into the draft of the car. He's going to have a look down into turn 1. Geeling cuts him off. Oof, that's close.
Here we go.
Here we go.
They've given each other a race.
Geeling's got wide. Geeling's got wide. This is great racing, folks. This is what you call racing. Look at that. Norby Kiss and Rocco Barani. That is how you go side by side through one, gentlemen.
And he takes it back. So Glenn McGee in the number 14 is not phased by Dave Geeling. Very experienced and a very quick driver is Dave Geeling. But Glenn McGee has the lead.
But McGee defending really well in this battle for P1. He's showing his class. Both of them are just driving like their car's the limit. Tire smoke everywhere. Late on the brakes, but it's a great battle. And Geeling he's going to look to the outside. Carries quite a lot more corner speed. Is he going to shove it up the inside? He's looking a little bit late on the brakes.
I think Ben McGee, I think I would like to see McGee win this race, to be honest. He's driven very well. He's kept Dave
after what happened at Brands Hatch, yes, I agree with you. I would love to see Glenn McGee win this. No, serious note, Glenn McGee's driving was brilliant. That was super good racing.
There's a lot of enthusiasm with you.
Is he going crazy?
He had a bet going that you'd get a 305, bet $1 to Paul.
What did I get?